High school students get lockers. Lockers are awesome. You can put books in it. You can put food in it. You can put a first aid kit in it. Thanks to lockers, you don't have to carry so much stuff. You can even decorate your lockers. You can stick posters in it. There are a lot of skunks in the park. The skunks spray their odor. The park smells very bad now. The family goes to the park for a picnic. They have lots of food. They smell something funny. They see the skunks. They do not want to eat anymore. They go home. Kimberly walks outside. She likes looking at her neighborhood. She also likes the fresh air. She bumps into someone. She looks at him. It is an old friend. He smiles. He says he likes the fresh air too. They hug. They talk about their memories. They laugh. Mary does well on her test. She smiles. Patricia wins the drawing contest. She smiles. David watches a great movie. He smiles. Mary, Patricia, and David are happy. Linda breaks her leg. She goes to the hospital. Barbara gets last place in the race. Jeff does bad on his test. Linda, Barbara, and Jeff are sad. She turns on the TV. Her favorite TV show is on. It is 30 minutes long. It is about the slowest animals on earth. She has a slow animal herself. It is a turtle. The turtle is quiet and cute. It is green. She watches TV with her turtle. She is very talented. She is good at taking tests. She is good at dancing. She is good at singing. She is good at teaching. She is good at fishing. She is good at playing the cello. She is good at making scarves. She is good at running. She is good at cooking. He hears a loud noise. He looks out the window. He sees a motorcycle. It is on the road. It is black and silver. It has 2 wheels. There is a man on the motorcycle. He wears a helmet. He wears sunglasses. He wears a leather jacket. He is riding the motorcycle. It is time for the award ceremony. She gets the first place medal. It is circular. It is gold. It has a picture of a ballet dancer. She deserves the medal. The audience cheers. Her parents scream her name. Her brother throws a rose at her. She bows. He eats a lot of candy. He needs to clean his teeth now. He does not want cavities. He goes to the bathroom. He flosses between his teeth. He grabs his toothbrush. He brushes his teeth up and down. He rinses his mouth. His teeth look white. Finally, he uses mouthwash. She loves ketchup. She puts ketchup on fried chicken. She puts ketchup on French fries. She puts ketchup on eggs. She puts ketchup on hamburgers. She puts ketchup on hot dogs. She puts ketchup on fried shrimp. She puts ketchup on sandwiches. She even puts ketchup on candy. Sometimes she drinks ketchup. She wants to make a peanut butter sandwich. It is easy to make. She goes to the market. She buys what she needs. She goes back home. She goes to the kitchen. She takes out a knife and puts it in the peanut butter jar. She spreads the peanut butter on 2 slices of bread. She puts the slices together and takes a bite. Magazines are fun to read. There is usually someone famous on the cover. Sometimes it is an actress. Sometimes it is a politician. Sometimes it is a chef. You can flip through the pages of a magazine. There are interesting stories. The stories are usually about important events. Some are sad. Some are happy. It is daytime. The sky is bright blue. The sun is shining. There are many clouds in the sky. She looks at them. The clouds have different shapes. One of them looks like a heart. Another looks like a bird. She continues to look at the clouds. Summer ends. Autumn begins. Autumn is perfect. It is not too hot like summer. It is not too cold like winter. She wakes up. She looks out her window. The leaves are falling. Some leaves are orange. Some leaves are brown. She sees her dad raking the leaves. She goes outside. She helps her dad. The young girl is hungry. Her parents do not feel like cooking. They go to a restaurant nearby. A waitress takes them to an empty table. The family sits down. The waitress gives them menus. The family looks at them. They order spaghetti and lobster. They wait for their food. He works at the grocery store. He is the manager. He has a different uniform from his co-workers. His is red. His co-workers' uniforms are blue. He makes sure everyone is doing their job. He tells them how to do better. He goes around the store. He asks customers if they're okay. She is going to a party. She has to dress nicely. She puts on a pearl necklace. She puts red lipstick on her lips. She wears a long white dress. She puts on sparkly shoes. She puts diamond earrings on her ears. She puts a ruby ring on her finger. She is ready to leave the house. It is snowing. She is cold. She puts on a jacket. She puts a scarf around her neck. She puts mittens on her hands. She sits close to the fireplace. Her dad taps her on the shoulder. She turns around. He gives her a cup of hot chocolate. She is excited. He goes to his backyard. He sees something. It is small and slimy. It is a lizard. He puts it on his hand. He brings it inside his house. He shows it to his parents. He tells them he wants to keep it. They say no. They say lizards need to be outside. He goes to his backyard. He lets the lizard go. He likes apples. His neighbor has an apple tree. He walks to his neighbor's house. He knocks on the door. Miss Parker opens it. She says hello. He asks her if he could get some apples. She lets him. He picks the best apples. He tastes one. It is sweet.